Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart, we'll be talking about the technical trends, and we'll be looking at the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so there is the chart of Bitcoin, and we can see that the price is basically trading at 19,000. So again, price is just taking up a support at 19,000, and whenever the price is coming back to this particular level, we have seen that the price will again reach towards the resistance of 20,000. So the price is basically stuck in this area, and now since the price is already there, reached there on the support area, there is a probability that from here we might able to see a upside momentum. But again, let us see the closing price of today's, because if the closing price happens to be at the support, most likely you will see a little bit upside momentum towards the resistance level. And if not, if the price reaches below, if the price closes below then this 19,000 level, you will definitely see that you might see further fall. So that again depends, because many a times they try to do that also, like here, but this is completely it's not showing very good momentum towards the downside, and that's why it started moving up. So again, we just need to see where it will close, and accordingly we will have to decide what would be the future outcome. But as of now, if you look at the whole situation, if you look at the recent momentum, so you can see that the price is now about to starts moving up from here. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so this is the daily chart of Ethereum, and Ethereum is basically, it's not showing any momentum. I think it's been around 1 month or so that the price is not moving much, and the range for this particular cryptocurrency is very small. We have a support at 1215. This is a very you can say clear support, and the clear resistance is at 1418, right? So 1418 is the resistance, 1215 is the support area, and the price is just moving in this area. And look at the volumes. The volumes are decreasing every day, and there is no momentum in the price. So that shows you just need to see one breakout either to the resistance or to the support area, and once that happens, you will see more momentum, more volumes, more trading activity coming up for the Ethereum. So as of now, we can still see that the price from here will be there in this area, and with very less trading activity. So this is I think these are the two cryptocurrencies which we usually talk about, and this is the way we tell them that what could be the direction for these two cryptocurrencies, the levels, what could be the direction, what could be the view, the resistance and support levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So I think this is all from my side today, and if you are liking this video, so please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell icon. So I'll meet you tomorrow. Till then, thank you so much for watching me.